In this video, I'll show you how to insert audio in Google Slides. Adding audio to Google Slides is a great way to make your presentation more engaging. Google's official Slides help says you can add audio directly in Google Slides, and that audio is one of the supported media types you can place on a slide. First, open your presentation in Google Slides on your computer and go to the slide where you want the audio to appear. Then click Insert and choose Audio. Google's help pages and support guidance show this as the normal way to place an audio file onto a slide. When the audio window opens, choose the file you want to use and insert it into the slide. After that, a speaker icon will appear on the slide. If you want, you can move that icon around or resize it so it fits your layout better. Community and tutorial guidance based on the current slides editor also shows the audio file picker opening from the insert menu and then placing an icon on the slide. Now click the audio icon and open format options so you can control how the sound plays. Current guidance shows that under audio playback settings, you can choose whether the audio starts on click or automatically. You can also set it to stop on slide change, continue playing across slides, loop, and in some cases, hide the icon while presenting. One important thing to remember is sharing. If the audio file is stored in Google Drive, the people viewing the presentation may need access to that file too, especially when you are sharing the deck with others. Guidance on using Drive-based media in slides consistently notes that permissions can affect playback for other viewers, so the steps are simple. Open your slide, click Insert, choose Audio, select your file, and then adjust the playback settings to control when and how the audio plays. That's how to insert audio in Google Slides. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.